All right. Hi, guys. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to come on here to give you two things. So, I just finished analyzing, well, earlier this week, I finished analyzing 5,000 lines of data. Yeah, it was crazy. So now I just finished writing the results section. So that means what this data actually means to anyone who reads it, because it's a lot of information, but we always try to make the information digestible. So what I did is after working on that for 2.5 hours this morning, it looks good. I'm super proud of it. And I'll send that to you as well. But one thing that I will pose to you guys for next week's innovation book, you guys will actually have a chance to, let me see, I wrote this down. Okay, so you guys will actually have a chance to contribute on the innovation book 5 to 10 ways that are 5 to 10 things that your selected agency or company did very well. And then you will contribute 5 to 10 things that the company did not do so well that they could improve on. And then last but not least, 5 to 10 suggestions that you have for that particular company. So again, things that they did well, things that they did not do well, and then suggestions. So this week, that basically means that you just need to analyze your data. That's it on the spreadsheet. And I posted two videos on YouTube. They will be linked below. And you guys can watch that a little bit later. But all that you need to do now is to figure out exactly what they did well, what they did not do well based on your calculations or the AutoSum calculations for your data. That's it. And I don't want to scare you guys, but that's it. That's it. And I'm super excited about that. So if you have any questions, write them below. Use the hashtag #SocialMobileTech, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.